in this video, we are going to be looking at modern floor work and an undulation. So, let's do undulations first. Let's do them seated today. Yeah, why not? So, thank you for joining me. Let's learn how to, well, if you haven't already learned the undulations, check out my other videos or my actual online classes. You'll learn how to do these very properly from the muscles, from the inside out, on BellyDance.com. In the meantime, we're going to sit really tall. We're going to do our undulations, aka camels. Okay, they're the same thing. So my chest goes forward, up, back, down, and I'm going to come through the belly. I'm going to get my hands out of the way for the moment. Try not to let your knees bounce up and down. You're also going to do the hip stretch. Okay, so up, roll, down. If it helps you, you can even do what I'm doing. Put your hands behind you, and that will help you to keep your body nice and upright, because we're looking for streamlined undulation. So ideally, don't want you to be doing this. Yeah? So sit as tall as you can. Up, roll, down, and up, roll, down, and up, roll, down, and up, roll, down, up, roll, down. You might find it easier here, or you might not. You might find it easier with your hands on your thighs. But I'm going to put my hands here so you can see. Up, roll down, up, roll down. So this is the Floorwork series, my style of Floorwork series. So this is like a lot of modern take on Floorwork. So yes, this is what we're doing. This is basically in this series. And so up and roll down for 4, for 3, for 2, and 1. Okay, so now we'll do move itself. So what I like to do is, you could totally, so everyone's body's different, and you might find it easier having your feet flat. I personally prefer to have it on releve and stagger the legs. It's just for aesthetic purposes. It's how I perform it when I dance it. But you can totally have it flat. So do what's easiest for you at the moment while you figure the move out. So, for example, I can start here and I can do my undulations. So, up, roll down, up, roll down, up, roll down. Keep your neck, try not to lose your neck. Okay, so always keep your shoulders down. In my school we call it the cobra neck, where you think of a cobra and a really long neck all the time. Up we go. Up, roll down, up, roll down, up, roll down. Breathe and smile. It's very important to breathe and to smile. For 4, 3. Now, if that's enough to stay there, otherwise we're going to bring the legs a bit closer and we're going to come onto tiptoe. So notice my hip leaves the floor a little bit. It's about 3 inches. And then, if it's not too much, bring one foot slightly in front of the other and bring one foot back. That's how I like to do it. That's how I perform it. If it's too much, you can bring your feet closer in, no problem. Okay? Then we do the undulations again. You might need to play around with how far away your hands are or how close they are in. I'll let you choose for yourself. Think about it. Don't have your hips too high, otherwise it's really hard to do. So, low. Okay, roll, 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 roll. These exercises are also really good drills because it forces you to get a really deep undulation. So initially, if you're not used to doing deep muscular work, so in my school, I really focus on teaching dancing from the inside out as deep as possible so that we can continue to make progress with our dancing. However, if you're not used to it, chances are that you're not doing very much right now. Yeah? Might be like, ugh. So don't worry, okay? But you're going to just practice. Roll, roll. And if you come to my classes, or you take my online classes, I will teach you properly how to do all of this stuff. There's a lot of fundamentals, and a lot of technique, and a lot of drills and stuff that I share with my students to make sure that this is even possible. So come and see me, I'll look after you. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and roll, 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 roll. 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Well done. Take your legs in front of you, have a little stretch. Round off the back, and release. I hope you liked it. So I'll do some more videos for the Floorwork section soon. But again, make sure you check out the online classes on my website because you'll learn properly there, significantly better than learning on YouTube. YouTube's good and Instagram TV is good, but it's not. If you want to learn properly, take the course. Roll down. For 4, 3. Check out Tribal from the Trap for music as well. This is Tribal from the Trap music. Tribal from the Trap. Music is available everywhere. Also, if you're a dancer or you're a teacher or a performer or any person who uses music on social media, you can use their music free because it's license free. So you won't have any problems uploading your videos or posting or doing online classes and stuff like that. You can use this music, no problem. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you soon in another video online somewhere, or preferably in my class if you can make it.